Hello, I'm going to show you how to access the bilingual 411 portfolio assessment on Livetext. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your Livetext docs. Select Inbox. In the search bar, type BIL 411 and click search, and it pops up here. Click on this document. When you get to this page, you will need to create a copy of this document so that you are able to edit this document. Click on this icon to create a copy of it. At the beginning of the document, make sure that you type your name before you save it. Then click OK. Now you are able to edit this document and start completing the parts of this portfolio. I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much.